नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ 2272% प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ, टेक्सटाइल स्टॉक हिट 20% आफ्टर अनाउंसिंग a robust Q3 result. Synopsis a penny caps textile stock hit a 20% upper circuit offer, posting strong Q3 result with revenue jumping 348% year on year and net profit surging 2,272%, driven by sharp operational scale up and margin improvement. A penny cap company that is the business of the manufacturing, selling and the distribution of the fabrics, hosiery, garments and providing related service has come into the spotlight after its stock hit a 20% upper circuit following the announcement of its Q3 result. With a market capitalization of Rs 70.67 crore, the shares of the Garment Mantra Lifestyle Limited were trading of Rs 1.65, hitting upper circuit of 20% from its previous days closing price of Rs 1.38 per equity share. Q3 financial year 26 result. The company delivered a sharp jump in revenue in Q3 financial year 26, with revenue surging to Rs 98.91 crore and registering a strong 348.4% YoY growth compared to Rs 22.06 crore in Q3 financial year 25 and a solid 52.1% QoQ increases over Rs 65.02 crore in Q2 financial year 26. 52.1% QoQ increase over Rs 65.02 crore in Q2 financial year 26. The sharp rise reflected significant scale up in operation and strong execution during the quarter. EBITDA improved substantially and to Rs 4.42 crore in Q2 financial year 26, up from Rs 0.91 crore in Q3 financial year 25, and translate into an impressive 385.7% YoY growth, while raising 129.1% QoQ from Rs 1.93 crore in Q2 financial year 26. This indicates better operating leverage and the improved cost efficiency alongside higher revenues. Profit after tax also witnessed an exceptional growth, reaching Rs 4.27 crore in Q3 financial year 26 versus Rs 0.18 crore in Q3 financial year 25, marking a sharp 2,272% YoY growth and increasing 61.7% QoQ from Rs 2.64 crore in Q2 financial year 26. Overall, the quarter reflecting strong financial momentum with a significant improvement across revenue, operating performance and the profitability. About the company, Garment Mantra Lifestyle Limited is an India-based apparel company engages in the manufacturing, distribution, and retail of the fabrics and the history and garments of the for men, women, and kids, along with the fashion and accessories, and founded in 1997 and headquartered in Tripur. The company also exported the product and operated in the white label segment and having reverted from the Junction Fabrics and Apparels Limited in April 2020. A return of equity ROE of about 7.31%, a return on capital employed and ROCE of about 7.38%, and debt to equity ratio at 0.36 demonstrate the company's financial position at the moment. The company per share ratio is 7.8x lower as compared to it is the industry per share 27.2x. As of December 2025, the company shareholding pattern is largely driven by public shareholders who hold 69.62% of the equity, while promoters own 30.18%, indicating a stable promoter commitment. Foreign institutional investors have a minimal presence with a 0.20% stake, reflecting low institutional participation and a predominantly and retail owner structure. दोस्तों आज बात कर रहे हैं आप लोगों के साथ 2,272% profit growth. Textile stock hit 20% after announcing robust Q3 result. और आप लोगों ने देखा आज बात कर रहे हैं रोबस्ट Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देखा ए पेनी कैप कंपनीज दैट इज the business of the manufacturing, selling, and distribution of the fabrics, garments, and the providing related services came into the spotlight after stock hit a 20% upward circuit and announcing of the its Q3 result. Q3 financial year 26, the company delivered a sharp jump into revenue in Q3 financial year 26, with the revenue surging to reach 98.91 crore, registering a strong 348.4% YoY growth compared to reach 22.06 crore in Q3 financial year 25, and a solid 52.1% QoQ increases over reach 65.02 crore in Q2 financial year 26. The sharp rise reflected significant scale-up in the operations and the strong execution during the quarter. EBITDA improved substantially to reach 4.42 crore in Q3 financial year 26, up from reach 0.91 crore in Q3 financial year 25, translating into an impressive 385.7% YoY growth while reaching 129.1% QoQ from reach 1.93 crore in Q2 financial 26.